A special thank you to Dave and the team at West Coast Kia for letting me review the 2024 Kia Forte GT Limited. This is the first gen Kia Forte SX Coupe that offers sporty characteristics like today's 2024 Kia Forte GT Limited. The exterior color is known as steel gray. You can also get the Kia Forte 5 in the GT Limited. You're going to get a lot of the red accents up front with their GT badging. The red accents give the front end a sporty vibe to it. The 2024 Kia Forte GT Limited will offer LED headlights. I think Kia did a really good job with the front end styling. I love how there are red accents to depart it from the regular Kia Forte models. The tiger nose grille gives it a premium sporty feel and look to it. You are going to see a lot of the gloss black trim on the grille and surrounding areas. Unfortunately, IIHS rates the headlights poor. Standard 18-inch sport alloy wheels are standard on the GT Limited trim. Under the hood, you'll find Kia's 1.6-liter turbo GDI gasoline direct injection, producing 201 at 6,000 RPM, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and it is front-wheel drive. Height adjustable driver's seat is standard on the 2024 Kia Forte GT Limited trim. You have the GT embossed onto the driver and passenger seat. These seats are heated and cooled as well. .2-inch Supervision LCD TFT instrument cluster. You're looking at a 10.25-inch multimedia interface with integrated navigation. The infotainment is very similar to the Kia Telluride that I reviewed a while back. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Bluetooth hands-free cell phone connectivity is also standard. There are 3 different themes you can choose for your screen layout settings: Theme A, Theme B, and Theme C. The navigation system in the Kia Forte is very similar to the Kia Telluride that I reviewed a while back. The navigation system worked really well, as it did when I reviewed the Kia Telluride. Here is your HVAC controls, USB connections, gear selector, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, driving modes, parking brake, auto hold, 2 cup holders, and the cubby. The center console is really deep in size. Here is the backup camera in the Kia Forte. The resolution of the backup camera is pretty good. Here's the cooled and heated seats that I really love. And here is the heated steering wheel and driving modes, which show sport, smart, and normal. And here are your LED map lights, props to Kia. And here's your sunroof controls and your glove compartment with decent storage. Moving on to the back seat, these seats are heated as well. You do get the red stitching you get up front, and these seats are very comfortable. I have plenty of legroom behind my driving position. I'm in the middle seat. I have plenty of legroom. As you can see, here are the heated vents and USB connection and back seat pocket. Here are the back seat cup holders. I really like the rear end styling of the Kia Forte GT Limited. You have your Kia GT and Forte badging with the red accents below. You have 2 dual exhausts, LED turn signal indicators, LED brake lights. Overall, the Kia Forte GT Limited is a good looking vehicle departed from its non-GT Limited trims. Here are the red accents up close. To simply fold down rear seats, simply pull on both sides. The back seats do fold down 60-40 for more available cargo space. Back seats do fold down fully for more available cargo space. You could fit a snowboard through the pass-through or even a ski. There is no spare tire, unfortunately. This wraps up our car review on the 2024 Kia Forte GT Limited. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.